What's up, you guys? My name is Isaiah. This is my 2022 Toyota Tundra, and we're here at R1 Concepts getting a big brake kit done. So I went with R1 Concepts because I needed a front and rear solution for this truck, especially with how it's built out right now. Is because there's a lot of weight, there's a lot of rolling resistance, and I needed something to be able to stop on a dime. In addition, they have different colorways, so I could pick between anodized colors, I could pick between painted colors. The theme of the truck I'm trying to go for is dark contrast with a little bit of accent colors. I think the brake calipers are really going to accentuate and really just make this thing pop.
What's going on? It's Rex from R1 Concepts. Today we got this 2022 Toyota Tundra. We're going to be upgrading the brake system. The stock system right off the bat's a 4-piston front, single piston rear. We're going to be upgrading with our 6-piston 365 in the front, 6-piston 356 in the rear, and it's still going to keep its electronic parking brake.